So what I'll do today, I'll go through a quick introduction and an update on clinical trials, and I'll touch base on pre-treatment LDL cholesterol and its importance, which is usually overlooked, safety of PCSK9 inhibition, and very low LDL, and at the end I mentioned some more new data on diabetes. So just a reminder, this is how statins work. It blocks HMG-CoA reductase. As a result, there is depletion in intracellular cholesterol, and for the hepatocytes to get the cholesterol, what they do, they upregulate LDL receptor and to get the cholesterol from circulation. Within the same pathway, there is an upregulation of production of PCSK9. So what's PCSK9? PCSK9 is one of the caxin proteins, type 9, and it was first reported and discovered by a group in France, Marian Abifadel. They were investigating a group of patients with FH with very high LDL, but no mutations were found. And there were another group in US who were looking into the same line of investigations. So the PCSK9 gene is located on chromosome number 1, and it is expressed in a number of tissues, and it's like a death chaperone for LDL receptor. So what happens when the LDL receptor and LDL particle are internalized? They go into endosome, and before they end up in the lysosome, they dissociate. The LDL receptor will resurface and clear another particle, and in its life cycle it resurfaces for almost 100 times.